Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on developer mode on Infinix. So the first step you simply need to do is to open settings of your smartphone. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down, but as you can see, there is no option of about phone. So you simply need to go on the top and click on my phone, and here you can see build number. So you simply need to tap 7 times here, and after that you are a developer. Okay, and here you need to search in settings developer option. So now you can see that this feature is enabled. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.